Lendiza encane ibiyingxenye yombukiso wamabhanoyi ngesikhathi iphahlazeka Olwandle eNorth Beach ngase-Suncoast Casino eThekwini. Ithimba labatakuli lithi ukungcola kolwandle namagagasa namandla kwenza kube nzima ukuthungatha.
Unfortunately, now it is more a recovery operation than a search and rescue operation. The police divers are having turns, obviously, for safety-wise, going into the water and coming out. However, the visuals are very bad inside. As you can see, the ocean is dirty. It's the visual is quite difficult, so it's making efforts even harder, as well as the current is quite strong again today.
Namuhla kwandiswa amathimba okutakula nokuthungatha lapho kwenzeke khona ingozi.
So SAPS has got divers from South Coast, Maritzburg way. We've got NSRI involved as well. We've got Metro Police Search and Rescue. We've got the Navy's also out as well. And then obviously you've got the Air Wing. So it's a massive effort being run by SAPS though.
Omunye umshayeli wamabhanoyi uthi uzakwabo ubewuthanda kakhulu umsebenzi wakhe.
Andrew was a true gentleman and a true aviation icon in South Africa, both on the air show scene and also in the airline scene. The few times that I met Andrew, he was just so good. I mean, from the first time I met the guy was at an aerobatic contest in Ladysmith.
Uhlelo lokuthungatha liyaqhubeka.